Hello friends, welcome to Jainam Software. Hope you are doing great. In this video, we are going to see how we can change the loan transaction ledger or deposit transaction ledger in Jainam Software. So just have a look. So from the search bar, I will search one loan, let's say loan number 2. So here you can see this loan, personal loan given to the member, and if I go to the transaction here, so there is no one transaction. Let's do it. So for example, I want to do it by cash 3069. So I will receive this 3069. Now I will just refresh the transaction. So here you can see this transaction is coming here by cash. Now I want to change this. If I done it by mistake, so I want to change this by cash to the bank. So I will just click here, arrange by sequence, and I will click this transaction. Just close this and select here Jainam Bank. I want to select the Jainam Bank and payment by UPI. So transaction remark any you can add here, and here you can see change ledger transaction number 1. So this is the transaction number 1. I want to change by UPI. So I will click yes. Transaction ledger is changed. Now I will just refresh this transaction and let's check. So here you can see this transaction ledger is changed to the Jainam Bank. So easily we can change any transaction ledger. If you want to done, if you did something mistake, then you can change the ledger later on. So thank you friends for watching this video, and don't forget to like our channel from YouTube. Have a great day.